This project is a $1 billion investment.
It's kind of like a new chapter for the country.
The opportunity for financial stability.
The impact that this project is having is massive.
GDIZ, producing clothing made from locally sourced cotton. It allowed me to scale my business in a way I couldn't before locally.
GDIZ is a catalyst for economic growth in Benin.
You know, developing a country starts with industrialization. Today, we are able to process our agricultural commodities into finished goods.
We would like to catalyze and create about $1.3 billion of projects across the continent.
I launched my business in 2018 with a focus of using local material to create contemporary design that reflect Benin's heritage.
Quels sont les différents projets que vous avez? Donc c'est tout ce que. Donc comment vous faites la différence?
Every piece or every collection are inspired by the rich colors and stories of Benin. It has been great to be able to give back and to be able to produce from here. Here are some of the sketches from the print that is going into the collection. And then at the end of this phase, we actually materialize them into a physical product and print them out as samples. It's very exciting to be able to go to GDIZ and you receive our first sample because it's the first step to get to mass production.
Benin and Arise has partnered with Afreximbank to finance a Glo-Djigbé Industrial Zone, which is a special economic zone that stretches on 1,640 hectares.
With these big investments, we are learning how to exploit our natural resources, reducing reliance on raw exports.
I believe industrialization is the way to go because we have the resources on the continent. And it's fundamental that we have projects like this to add more value to the commodities they export. I know a lot of people think it's outside the box, combining all these sectors together. How do they tie in? But we see a connection that brings the agribusiness to the processing business, to the manufacturing business, and linking it to sectors such as creative.
And I really hope it's going to be very impactful and hopeful for us.
Definitely.
Today, after less than 3 years, we have more than 14,000 people working here in terms of direct jobs.
We have the opportunity to be trained for specific jobs, learning new skills, developing our creativity, and learning how to face challenges.
I was scrolling and I saw they are looking for merchandisers, so I applied. I've already finished the 3 months of internship. I did literature in school, but when I came here, I'm learning about textile, so it's a very, very good opportunity.
They have trained over 2,000 shirts in the art of producing garments for exports out of Benin. This is amazing. It's, direct impact that we are looking at here from the project.
I think Africa needs visionary like Afreximbank because they see opportunities where others don't, build solutions and create a future where Africa can take charge of its resources, talent, people, and potential.
The impact that this project is having is massive. And we expect that this zone would allow a job creation of at least 300,000 direct jobs within the next 10 years.
Kind of impact I see is bringing to us is youth employment and financial stability.
This project is a $1 billion investment in Benin Republic.
And seeing this huge change in the industrial part, it's kind of like a new chapter for the country itself,
Without the GDIZ, such foreign direct investments would not have been attracted into the country. So it's a game changer in terms of impact.
It's great to be able to come here today and to be able to touch and feel the product. Thank you for making those samples so rapidly. The printing is good because it reproduces exactly what we have sent you, and it's perfectly positioned as well.
All right?
I think the fabric is better here. I think it might be something closer to this one.
So rather go with 100% cotton.
Yeah, 100% cotton. As an entrepreneur, it's exciting to be part of this transformation and to contribute to a brighter, more self-sufficient future for Benin.